Okay.
You're gonna turn this knob to pilot,
Okay.
press and hold.
Uh-huh.
And then while you're holding this, there's a little igniter button here. So just click that a couple times. There's a little window on the right side. You can actually, it might be a tough angle to get it
That's
at,
okay.
but you can actually see the pilot flame like
Oh, okay.
light. So yeah, it is lit now. So then you're gonna just keep holding this until you get your status light.
Oh, the green light will come on.
Yeah, once it kind of charges the system.
Okay.
There you go. And then release, and then just turn it back to your heat setting. It should
And then,
fire up.